Today I am going to show you all how to make a very special and very common dal, a very famous Punjabi dal makhani. So for this, please note down the ingredients. We need black gram dal. This is whole black gram dal. This is black urad ki dal, sabut urad ki dal. And red kidney beans, rajma. See here again it depends. Some people use chana dal, gram dal with black gram. But I always prefer to put rajma with black gram dal. So it is your choice. If you want to put chana dal, you can also put chana dal. So here I have taken 250 grams of black gram, but according to your requirement you can make it. This 250 gram is going to suffice for approximately 8 to 10 people. So I have taken 250 grams of dal. This is 100 to 150 grams of rajma, red kidney beans. Then tomato puree of 3 to 4 tomatoes. Onions 3 to 4, or if they are big then 2 onions chopped, because we use onion little less and tomatoes are more, because in this dal we are going to add butter and cream, so it will balance the taste of tomatoes. And we'll use less of oil while making our tempering, because then we are going to put butter and cream at the end, which will make it very rich in taste. But this you can make for special occasions when you have some special dinners or guests. But normally if you want to avoid these calories, you can omit this. It is not necessary that for daily use or when you want to cut on calories you have to put butter and cream. You can make the tempering only in simple oil and you can add to your dal, even then it will taste good. So now here we have dal, red kidney beans, onions chopped, tomato puree, butter, cream, ginger grated, garlic chopped, very finely chopped, then salt, red chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder, cumin, jeera. Here I have bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon sticks and few green crushed cardamoms. So these are the things which we require. For this, what we have to do is we need to soak this dal along with kidney beans overnight, or minimum 7 to 8 hours you have to soak it. So now I already have my dal soaked. I already have my dal soaked and then boiled. So what you have to do is you have to pressure cook this dal along with rajma to 1 whistle and then reduce the flame and let it cook on slow fire for 40 to 45 minutes on slow heat, medium heat, because this dal takes a lot of time to get cooked, to become tender. So now I'll show you how to prepare the tempering for the dal. And I have my boiled dal along with rajma. Here it is ready. Now I'll show you how to prepare the tempering for this. And this is the water that I have strained from this dal, just to show you all how to make the tempering. So even if you don't have this water, sometimes what happens while cooking our dal, almost all the water gets consumed. So not to worry, you can add plain water. Here I had this water, so I'm going to use this water. So now we've heated little oil. See, I've not taken much oil because we are going to put cream. So first we'll add this cumin, jeera, then we'll add all our khada masalas, whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks. See, if you want, you can also use powdered garam masala, but I prefer to use whole spices. These are the cloves and crushed cardamom, green cardamom. So now just let them roast in this oil for a few seconds. Now we'll put our garlic, chopped garlic, ginger, let the garlic become slightly brown, slightly cooked, and then we'll put our onions. You know, some people don't even put onions in this dal. They just put these spices, dry spices and puree and cream and butter. But I always like to put little onion because I don't know, I like that taste, it enhances the taste. So here, onions. Now we let these onions saute till they are golden brown in color. Now our onions, after 3 to 4 minutes, we have our onions light golden in color. Now we will add our red chili powder. As I always do this, I always prefer adding red chili powder first. And I have put slightly more of red chili because when we put our butter and cream, it is going to balance. So I always like to put red chilies first so that it gives a good color to the dal. Now we'll add a little bit of turmeric. This is optional. If you want, you can avoid it. Now, dhania powder. Salt to taste. Mix it. Now we put in our tomato puree, or even if you want to use chopped tomatoes, you can use chopped tomatoes. Cook it just for 2 to 3 minutes so that our tomatoes get cooked. Now we'll put this water, the one we had strained from the dal. We'll cook this water along with our onion and spices masala. Let it come to a boil. This our water is boiling. Now we will slowly put our dal in this water. Water in this bowl and put it into this. See, now we'll mix this, and now we will let this dal. Now once it is boiling, at this stage we'll reduce our heat to slow or to medium, and then we'll let this dal to cook for minimum half an hour or 40 minutes. So, but we have to be very careful in between. After every minute or two, you have to stir it so that we don't want our dal to get burnt at the bottom, because it tends to stick, gather at the bottom, and it will stick there. So you have to be very careful in between. Now we'll reduce our heat, and I'll leave it to cook for minimum half an hour. But in between, after every minute or two, I'll stir it properly. So now see, after half an hour, see the color, see our dal, how it is looking, how rich and nice. Yet we've not added any butter or any cream into this. But see, even if you, again I'm telling you all, if you don't want to add calories, or if you are very conscious that you don't want, as it is also, it will taste very good. But for special occasions or once in a while, if you have some special dinners or some special occasions, then we have to put a little butter and cream. So see here, now at this stage we'll add a cream. This is approximately half a cup cream. Then butter, 1 tablespoon. Now one thing which I forgot to mention in my ingredients is kasuri methi, fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves. This gives a very good flavor to our dal makhani. So we'll add this. At the end we add this kasuri. See how nice our dal is looking, see how rich. So now our dal is done. We'll take it out in a bowl. Here our dal makhani is ready. It is looking so tempting, so nice. See, it is very easy and very simple. So hope you will all try this recipe at home and enjoy your dal makhani. You can eat it with simple rotis, lacha paranthas, tandoori naan, anything as according to your taste. But you all should try it and enjoy this dal makhani. Thank you.